Good morning, guys. It is May 27th, 2020. I'm here in the rest area in Williston, Vermont, and getting ready to make some breakfast. Let's check our bacon. That looks pretty good. That's 1.5 minutes. And that's breakfast. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Can't beat it. Well, hey guys, it is 3:40 a.m. Early Sunday, and me and Bailey were outside in the backyard. We are checking out my new pup tent, and so far so good. It's kind of a cool morning. but we're nice and warm. It's 43 degrees, I think, right now, so it cooled off quite a bit. It also rained a couple hours ago, so it's kind of damp in here. We're getting some condensation on the inside of the tent, but we're dry. We're nice and dry. But anyway, we're just checking this thing out, see how it goes. I got a sleeping pad underneath me, and it's a down 40-degree quilt, very light, and so far so good. We just had to go out, take Bailey out for a little walk here, and we're gonna go back to sleep, try to get a couple more hours sleep before daylight. Well, because daylight will probably be here in about an hour or so. It'll start getting light, but we're gonna try to get back to sleep. Alright guys, go on. Alright guys, so we made it out here till 5 o'clock this morning and had to end up going in the house because my little pal Bailey here, she kept me awake, so she couldn't get comfortable. It's not a lot of room in here on this sleeping pad. It's not very wide, and you can see this is the pad itself, you know, pretty much just big enough for me, and she wouldn't sleep in her own I had this down comforter for her, that she would not stay in it. She wanted to be inside the sleeping bag with me, this is not really a sleeping bag, it's a quilt that hooks up to the bottom part of the bed, and so there wasn't a lot of room, and she kept moving around, kept hearing noises. When I took that video early this morning, I had taken her out, and I thought maybe because she had to go to the bathroom, which she did, and thought that would do it, but no. And especially about a little after 4, the birds started coming out and whistling and stuff, and then she was up, so we decided just to go in the house. Yeah, didn't we? Next time we'll just next time I think I'll just try it on my own, and maybe somewhere camping. Alright, well, I got my tent taken down and loaded up the trailer here behind me, and going up to do some flying, some RC model airplane flying, and we got Bailey with us. Say hello, Bailey. Say hello, Bailey. What you doing, Bailey? Huh? We going to the flying field? Yeah, we are. Yep. Okay. Yeah, don't know how much flying will get done today because it is windy and kind of cool. I'm only showing an outside temperature of 57 right now, and it's not supposed to get any warmer today. And I think actually tonight's supposed to get down into the 30s. Anyway, we had some nice warm, hot weather last week. Now we kind of cooled off again. And I had a couple of rain showers yesterday, and had a rain shower last night while I was in the pup tent with Bailey. And yeah, so hopefully there'll be no more showers today. Now we're here at the field. There ain't nobody here. We got to get the gate open. That's a cub. That's a Piper cub. This one here I flew a week ago and had some problems with it, so we're going to hold off on that one. Yeah, I think we'll just get the get the one plane out, see if we can get a flight or two on it, and then go on home. I don't think there's even going to be anybody here. I doubt it. But it's pretty breezy. Stay away from that, Bailey. Almost ran out of runway. Yow! Alright guys, that's going to do it on that flight. It's much too windy for this Piper Cub. It's got way too much lift, so I was lucky to get that back on the ground in one piece. But let's shut this off. And kind of a nerve-wracking flight. This plane doesn't like a lot of wind. You can see how big the wing is on that plane. It's huge, so it has a lot of lift. So when you get the winds that are kind of blustery and changing direction, and you get a crosswind on the landing, it's kind of difficult to fly. So I think we proved that everything still works on it. So I think we'll disassemble it, put it back in the trailer for sure. That's under. I thought you wanted to come in. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, the filming I did of the plane. I'm the only one here, so I got this off of eBay. I bought it used. It's a Solo Shot 3. So it's a little camera, and you put it on a tripod, and you put this little GPS tag. I put that inside the airplane, and it follows the airplane. I don't know how well it did because I haven't seen the video yet, but hopefully it did good. This is the camera setup right here. I just got it on this little tripod here. It's not very stable. I should have brought my heavier duty tripod, and especially with the wind, I should have put a weight on the bottom of it. That's all right. Hopefully it came out all right. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I appreciate you guys being here. If you like the model airplane flying, let me know down below in the comments. I need to work on learning how to use that Solo Shot 3 a little bit better, and maybe I can get some better footage of that. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we're going to see you again next time. Everybody take care. Bye for now.